Oh, that's cool.
That's really cool.
Hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. And watch your children. And remember, no black pictures. Now off.
That's kind of cool. Like Mexico and Epcot.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
Eileen had a quick little power nap. They have one here and in Mexico too.
Good job.
Very good. In Mexico, in Disney World. This is like the one in Mexico. You're right. Girl. That was really good fun.
It was. It was. It was, yeah.
I did. Have a seat.
Oh, incoming.
We're gonna get a bump.
Incoming.
There's a bird over here. It just goes around like that. That's how Haunted Mansion is. It's just a boat.
Andy was saying he's never known it this busy. There are people, lots and lots of people, but I've seen it busier in World than here in land. So Ken just said this one land seems more detailed, and I thought when we walked down Main Street
Here?
here, the one side of the street was fine, the other side had like
Had
a
that thing
facade.
around there on the top of the
Yeah.
building, just that banner.
Yeah,
And a smaller thing, but the beginning was, I felt that way, but getting into the back and getting into all the areas here, it's not as big, not as spread out.
yeah,
Like the walkways are a little less narrow, but everything is like just a little more detailed. Like Magic Kingdom
what do you think?
has open streets and buildings. This has stuff all in the middle and everywhere.
Yeah,
Like you can walk around each side and stuff. Little parks in the middle, little things on each side. But Magic is just, everything's just kind of open.
yeah, and you have places in Magic where there's nothing happening
Yeah.
in Magic Kingdom, and
Yeah, like here looks like there's stuff everywhere. This is beautiful. And the trees here are amazing. They just make it. Like the big trees like this, you see, like all the
Yeah.
trees and
Some of these got the original, haven't they? So they've got to be 70 years old.
yeah.
yeah.
Oh, take us to tomorrow.
70 years old, yeah.
Everything is not as spaced out as in World. Over there you've got Pirates we just got off, and then here is the Haunted Mansion that we're just about to go on. So it is, there's a lot
do you
less
think?
space
You
in
think?
between. Yeah, yeah. I prefer World because I know my way around it better.
Yeah.
I think that's the only reason.
I don't know. I don't even know where we are right now.
No,
I have
no.
no idea where we are.
No, if somebody said you got 10 minutes to get out to the park, I wouldn't.
I would lose that bet. No,
Yeah.
That's good. The train over there.
Yeah. Yeah, you've got bump, 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 bump. There's, there's things everywhere really, which is good.
There's a lot more shade here than Magic Kingdom.
Yes, yes, I agree.
Yeah.
Yeah, there is a lot more shade. But on average, World would have more sun. Florida would have more sun than here.
Yeah.
So
Well, it would
Florida
definitely have
needs
a lot
more
sun. It'll be
shade.
a lot more hotter. But
Yeah.
In the summertime, there's not a lot of shade, and it's 95 degrees all day long. So
Yeah, yeah.
If the weather
Oh,
here
yeah.
is usually 80s, right?
Yeah,
Like this is like a normal day in California.
yeah, yeah.
It's a beautiful day. Though.
It is. It is
Perfect.
beautiful. It is beautiful. It is.
Ready? Girls in, smile. Everybody in. Go for it. Yeah?
When hinges creak in doorless chambers, and strange and frightening sounds echo through the halls, whenever candlelights flicker, where the air is deathly still, that is the time when ghosts are present, practicing their terror with ghoulish delight. Listen.
Ghost is real! Get out of here!
We have been unavoidably detained by traffic spirits. Kindly remain seated in your
I can't think. Oh, look.
Bandy.
Be sure to remember death certificate.
So that's it from us today. We've had a full day. We got you for 8:15 and it's now 20 to 6. But it's been a wonderful, wonderful time. We booked into a Mexican restaurant just down the road so we can get something to eat before we walk back to the hotel and crash for the night. I'm supposed to be doing editing, but I don't think I'll be able to stay awake for much longer. We have an early start tomorrow because we're doing California's Adventure, which is the other park in Disney. And of course, that's tomorrow and we'll take you with us. Bye, thanks for watching.